This broken valve didn't just damage the head, it damaged everything below it too. What you're looking at is a common DD15 valve failure. And most people think replacing the head fixes the problem, but that's not always true. Because once a piece of the valve breaks off, it has nowhere to go except inside the cylinder. Now that metal fragment is getting slammed between the piston and the head thousands of times per minute. That means piston damage, possible liner damage, turbo damage, and in some cases, a full in-frame rebuild. This is why waiting too long gets expensive fast. A small issue becomes a major repair once parts start coming apart inside the engine. We usually see warning signs first: low power, rough running, excessive regens, misfire, hard pulls. But a lot of trucks stay on the road until it's too late. We usually see these issues on DD15s regularly. If you catch it early, you may save the head. If you wait, now you're buying pistons, liners, and downtime. If your DD15 has low power, rough running, or unusual regens, get it checked before this happens. TAT Express, your semi-truck repair shop.